In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your first GitHub repository and push to GitHub on Linux. We'll walk through the whole flow from a clean machine to seeing your code live on GitHub, and I'll keep things simple and clear as we go. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. In the page, use the search or prompt area, then select the highlighted result that guides you through creating and pushing a repository on Linux. This gives you an at-a-glance checklist to follow alongside this video. Start by installing Git if you don't have it. On Linux, use your package manager. For example, on Debian or Ubuntu, run sudo apt update followed by sudo apt install git. On other distributions, use the equivalent command for your package manager. Once Git is installed, configure your identity so your commits are labeled correctly. Run git config, global user, name your name, and git config, global user email, your @emailed example. You only need to do this once per machine. Create a new project folder and move into it. For example, run mkdir my first repo, and then cd my first repo. Inside this folder, initialize git with git init. That creates a hidden git directory to track changes. Add your files. If you don't have any yet, create a simple file like README.md so there's something to commit. Stage everything with git add, and then make your first commit with git commit, initial commit. If you ever forget to stage something, just run git add again and commit with another message. Next, create a new repository on GitHub. Sign in, click the new button, choose a repository name and leave it empty for now so you don't create a merge conflict later. Avoid adding a README, license, or .gitignore at this stage since you already have a local commit. Copy your repository URL. You can use HTTPS or SSH. With the URL copied, connect your local repo to GitHub by running git remote add origin your repo URL, set your default branch with git branch, main, and push with git push u origin main. After this first push, future pushes can be just git push. If you prefer not to enter credentials each time, consider SSH. Generate a key on your machine, add the public key to GitHub, then use the SSH repository URL. It's optional, but it makes pushing and pulling faster and more seamless. That's it. You installed Git, configured your identity, created and initialized a project, added and committed files, created a GitHub repository, connected it, and pushed your code.